welcome back to another video. So today I did this purple like smoky eye, and this highlighter is literally pink. You can't see it, but it's pink. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this, you want to hear some life update, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm priming my eyelid with the Beige Cosmetics concealer in 121. Hopefully you can see. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna do like a little life update too. Guess what? I got my permit. I'm so happy. Except driving is not that fun. Well, learning to drive is not that fun. I start driving school in August. If y'all don't know, I'm 16 years old. Look at these lips. Anyway, this eye look is inspired by the show IZombie. If y'all don't watch that show, y'all need to get on it. It's so good. I already finished all 4 seasons. That's on Netflix. So yeah, that's what's been going on. I've been driving a lot. I drove on the highway already. It was scary. I don't know, just weird being there with different people. It's not like practicing in the parking lot. Okay, so after the concealer is tacky, I'm not setting it because we don't set our eyelids anymore. This looks so good, don't it? I'm gonna take the ColourPop Yes Please palette. Hold on. I wanna see if this is right. I'm gonna take the shade Champs from the Yes Please palette. It's this orange shade right here. Like peachy shade. A lighter peach than this one. I'm gonna take that on this ColourPop E1 brush. After I blend out these creases again. When your eye crease, you always want to make sure you blend it out. And by blend it out, I mean, sorry if you can hear that in the background, motorcycle. And by blend it out, I mean tap. Ooh, I should show you guys my picture on my permit. I got it in my pocket right now. I'm gonna cover up my address and my name. Look at my picture. I mean, I look alright. I didn't wear no makeup that day. I should have, because I didn't feel like it. And I wore I wore makeup the day before, so I didn't feel like it. It's been 5 minutes already. So after tapping that out, I'm gonna take Champs, like I said, the Champs. I'm gonna just tap in there with the ColourPop E1 brush and tap it right in my crease. I don't know what else to talk about. I haven't been watching BTS Run, but I have been watching what's it called again? Monster X, right? Monster X, little V-Love TV thing. I love that. And honestly, I don't know. This video just popped up in my head because I finished IZombie, and I really love that show. I can't wait till they start doing season 5 and put it out. That's one of my favorite shows right now. Oh yeah, let me finish telling y'all. I'm almost done the show Say Hun is on. Say Hun from EXO. I just need to watch the season finale, then I'll be done. Oh yeah, I already finished all 14 seasons of Grey's Anatomy. I started when I was in I started watching Grey's Anatomy when I was in 9th grade, I think. Yeah. And then my computer broke. So we don't want to really drag it out that much. But this one is dragged out. Like I'm doing a cut piece, but I'm not. So at this pigmented, like this, I'm going to take a e.l.f. blending brush. And I'm gonna take my my BH Cosmetics, and it's my Riri palette. I'm gonna take the shade Sunset right here. Is this shade right here? I'm gonna just tap that right underneath of this peachy shade right here. Right underneath a Champs. And I'm gonna blend the small circular motions. This is just to add some depth. So now, after that, I'm gonna dig my finger on there. No. So after that, I'm gonna take another e.l.f. blending brush, a different one, and I'm gonna take the shades Friday and Connie. These two purples right here. This is Friday. This is Connie. I'm gonna take Friday first and then Connie, and just like place that all over the lid. So Friday first, and I'm just gonna tap it, because Friday doesn't give that much depth like Connie. Okay, so after that, you see, you don't really see anything, but then I go into Connie. With Connie, you want to go upwards and start blending also with Connie. And really peg it on. And then blend. And start going outwards. I'm gonna take I'm gonna take this e.l.f. eye defining brush. I don't like using this in my crease because it's like rough. But I'm gonna take the black shade in the palette called Black Beauty. It's just a black eyeshadow. You can use any black eyeshadow. I'll just use the tip of the brush. Oh, that's too much. Tap some off and just like go right on the waterline. On the line. Oh, this black eyeshadow is like powdery. I saw that. Powdery. And after that, we're gonna go back with the brush with the purples on there and blend it all together. We're gonna take this ColourPop E9 brush and blend everything together. Any clean blending brush. This was clean at first, but then I used it on this eye. Okay. And now taking this brush, the ColourPop E9, just blend out the outer part, blend it outwards. Okay, so I know I look super ghostly, but we're gonna put this CoverGirl look-alike blast in the waterline. See that? So basically what I do, I just put it like right here, and then I close my eye and just move the pencil. And then it lines your eye like that. So that's a good trick. So after that, we're gonna go in with the same pencil brush from earlier. That's what I used earlier. And we're gonna go in with Sunset. And smoke it right underneath the black. Okay, so after that, we're gonna go in with Friday. And go right underneath it, right underneath the sunset. After Friday, we're gonna go in with Connie. Just one tab in Connie. Be careful, of course. My eyes watering. Gotta step myself. Make sure you connect it also. Okay, so after that, we are gonna take a small brush, one like this. We're gonna take Passion, which is this shimmery purple shade. That's what it looks like. Let's swatch it. That's what it looks like in my hand. We're just gonna go. We're gonna dip in there, and we're gonna wet our brush. I'm gonna spray my my yellow dusky on there, and you wanna go right at the inner corner part, right there. Do it at the other side too. And then we're gonna add some of Tiffany in there. Just go on Tiffany once and lightly go over top of that. Oh. By the way, this shade is Tiffany right here. Okay, and after that, you just put on some mascara. I'm not putting on lashes because she doesn't wear lashes. Wow, this looks really good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. Look at my teeth. Why is it shining? Anyway, I will list my latest video down below. And bye.